Automotive, thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2021 Nissan Versa S. With just under 4,000 miles, this Nissan Versa is equipped with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine. It is front-wheel drive, and it also has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Nissan Versa well-equipped with high-intensity headlights and LED daytime running lights, accompanied by chrome and high-gloss black front grille trim. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 15-inch steel wheel with your factory Nissan cap here, wrapped up in a like-new set of Continental tires, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. Looking inside, you'll be met with a simple black-on-black interior here, as you can see. You do have a nice little carbon fiber-like material here. It is plastic, but it does have a nice design on there. And you will have some brushed aluminum and high-gloss black, and as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this Nissan Versa. And of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these premium cloth seats. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see tire depth in the fronts are 8 and 7/30 seconds, and the rears are 8 and 7/30 seconds as well. And your brake pads are good to go. Along with everything else, it is ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space. Okay, you will have storage on the back side of the passenger seat. You will also have powered windows. Making our way to the rear of this Nissan Versa, you will notice it is equipped with rear proximity sensors and a rear camera. Let's go ahead and check out the trunk space here. Get my key fob out. I'm gonna hold that and that'll release the trunk. And as you can see, plenty of space back here for this size of sedan. And of course, those seats will fold flat if you do need the extra cargo space. Making our way to the driver door, you'll notice all your power options, such as power windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. And on the key fob, I did want to mention you do have keyless entry as well. It's not passive, but you do have keyless entry. And to the left of the steering wheel, you'll have some menu options for your center cluster, proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off. And you'll also have lane keep assist, forward collision, and traction control on and off. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic. And guys, if you don't see an additional key pictured in the listing, one is being made as we speak. So let's go ahead and start it up. Push button start just to the right of your steering wheel here down below. And as you can see, just under 4,000 miles. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you'll have some selectors for your center screen, and you will have some volume options. And of course, you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right, you'll have some cruise control options. Bringing our attention to our center display and infotainment system, as far as audio is concerned, you will have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity, along with smartphone integration. And of course, you do have your rear camera as well. And down below, you have some simple climate control options, followed up with some storage and some charging as far as auxiliary for alternative audio, a USB, and a 12-volt. Again, your push button start. Just to the left of your nice leather wrap shifter here, and you'll have your handbrake, 2 cup holders, and 2 USB chargers, and some additional storage. You can use that for the front or the rear. And of course, you have your nice bright map lights. And under the hood, you have a very fuel-efficient 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection, this Nissan Versa has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Nissan Versa. Starting in the front here, pretty clean. No stone chips here on the front of the hood. Let's check out your grille elements here. Your flat black and then your high gloss black seems to be in good shape. No cracking or anything like that. And your headlights are nice and clear. No cracks, no condensation, no hazy, no fading. Really sharp looking contour lines, even for this economy car here. This will be the perfect car for a commuter car or a first car, not loaded with tons of comfort and convenience features, but it does have plenty of safety features, and it looks pretty sharp too. So coming around with the wheel and tire setup, you're going to have some scuffs here on that plastic Nissan cap. Other than that, good shape. Looking at your mirror cap here, you are going to have some blemishes here, as you can see. And then here on the outer trim of your door handles, that black molding there in good shape. And then the trim pieces here on your outer door, slight discoloration. but not bad. Looking into the passenger side door card here, as you can see, very clean. And inside, your premium cloth seats are in good shape, no rips, stains, tears, or odors, or anything like that. Coming around to the rear, let's take a look at the back seats here. I'm looking for any blemishes on the back of the seats. Everything looks good. And I'm looking for discoloration or staining, and I don't see any. Your black elements out here are in good shape. High gloss black around the tail lights are in good shape. No cracks, no condensation buildup, no hazing, no fading. Chrome badging all looks good. You even have that fake carbon fiber, or should I say faux carbon fiber material here. Really nice design. And you even have this nice little rear bumper applique as well. Around the rear proximity sensors, no dents or dings. We like to take care of those before these vehicles hit the lot with our paintless dent repair specialist. Coming up the driver's side, everything looks good. Small blemish here on the driver door, as you can see, and some discoloration here on the outer trim of the door. And then up here at the driver door mirror cap, all in good shape. Guys, if you have any more questions on this 2021 Nissan Versa, this is the S, okay? 1.6 liter, this is front wheel drive, and again, it does have a clean CARFAX, one owner, super low miles. Give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7, and you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy, and it only takes 10 minutes of your time. So come out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe.